Hello guys, welcome to Team Apron TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello Team Apron! Welcome to our new mini vlog, and this time pupunta po tayo sa isa sa mga bago at sikat na pasyalan sa Bohol. Yan ay walang iba kundi ang Sikatunas Mirror of the World and Botanical Garden na matatagpuan sa Barangay Libho, bayan ng Sikatuna. This is just 30 minutes away from Tagbilaran Bus Terminal if you're planning to commute. And if you are part of a travel group, isa po ito sa mga pupuntahan nyo as part of the Bohol Countryside Tour. Ayan. Entrance pa lang ng theme park na to, meron ng display ng mga upuan sa loob ng eroplano. So therefore, alam na natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng sikat na pasyalan na to. In just a matter of 1 to 2 hours, malalakbay mo na ang buong mundo. So welcome sa Sikatunas Mirror of the World. Ayan. This theme park allows us to see the replicas or the mini version of different world's top attractions na nakakalat inside a botanical garden. At alam nyo ba guys, dati this is just a 3.2 hectare farm na dinevelop ng mga owners to become a tourist attraction para maranasan naman ng mga Pinoy na hindi makapag-travel abroad na makita ang buong mundo in just one place. December 2018 nag-open ang theme park na to and hindi pa talaga siya kumpleto. Imagine guys, sa sobrang ganda ng place na to at sobrang laki. Out of phase 6 of developments, phase 1 pa lang ang fully develop or yung 100% complete. So imagine, may phase 2 na 90% complete and may phase 3, phase 4, 5, and 6 pa. So just imagine the big potential of this place para maging isang major tourist attraction in the entire Philippines, hindi lang sa Bohol guys. Kaya tara, isa-isahin natin yung mga iconic structures na matatagpuan dito. So, isa na dyan, ang iconic Golden Gate Bridge na matatagpuan sa San Francisco, California. Meron din ditong Japanese koi pond and ang Merlion na iconic structure ng bansang Singapore. And by the way, pwede kayong bumili dito ng fish feed sa halagang 20 pesos para pakainin yung mga koi na nasa Japanese pond. Nandyan din ang Leaning Tower of Pisa na matatagpuan sa bansang Italy, Statue of Liberty na makikita sa New York, USA. Nakakalat din po dito ang mga statues of Greek gods and goddesses. Then Eiffel Tower ng Paris, France. Nandyan din ang iconic windmill ng bansang Netherlands. May mga spots dito na kung saan pag inakyat mo yung burol ay makikita mo yung kabuuan ng theme park. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Sigurado after nyong mapuntahan ang tourist attraction na to, marami kayong naipong mga pictures sa inyong mga gadgets. As in, halos lahat, walang tulak kabigin na spots, lahat Instagrammable, lahat picture worthy talaga. But for me, the most striking feature or spot here in Sikatunas ay yung kinalalagyan ng Christ the Redeemer na matatagpuan sa Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Kasi if you're going to remember, yung original nito is makikita sa tuktok ng bundok. Ito makikita sa tuktok ng burol. At ang maganda niyan, yung slope ng burol, kung nasa yung Christ the Redeemer, nandun yung Bohollywood na replika ng Hollywood sa US. Statue ng kangaroo sa Australia and entrance ng Japanese garden. Meron din sila ditong replika ng Pergola Rotunda ng Italy. Sobrang nakaka-relax mamasyal sa lugar na to dahil maraming nagkalat na palm trees, may orchids, and other outdoor plants. Ayan, so paakyat na tayo. Paakyat na tayo sa Gate to Heaven ng Bali, Indonesia. And of course, ang maganda nito, after mong maggala-gala, pwede kang tumambay sa Cafe Acropolis. Of course, Acropolis is matatagpuan sa bansang Greece. Cafe Acropolis offers a blend of traditional and Filipino flavors na pwede sa breakfast, may rice bowl, pwede ka umorder ng rice platters, may soup, noodles, seafoods, vegetables, iba't ibang luto ng chicken and pork, may snacks, pwede ka rin magkape-kape dito, may juice, beverages, may beer spa, and other refreshments. In short, tambayan ito ng mga napagod maglakad at mag-picture-picture sa buong area ng theme park na ito. Cafe Acropolis is located at the top of a hill. Kaya from here, makikita mo lahat ng mga tourist attractions na nasa baba. Sa tabi ng Cafe Acropolis is makikita ang Big Ben, which is iconic structure ng London, and sa baba naman ito yung mga rebulto ng Greek Olympians. This park is open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And iba ang daytime rate nila from nighttime rate. So from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. ang entrance fee is 150 pesos. 50 pesos naman for children below 3 feet. And kapag naman senior and PWD, 120 pesos lang. Kapag naman 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. ka papasok, 170 pesos ang adult rate. 50 pesos pa rin ang mga bata 3 feet and below. And kapag senior naman and PWD is 135 pesos. Pet friendly po ang facility na ito. But you need to abide by the rules and regulations when carrying pets. Senior friendly, all you have to do is to rent a cart, 500 pesos for 1 hour, or 300 pesos kapag 30 minutes lang na kayang magsakay ng 5 adults and 1 to 2 na kids. Best time to visit is 5 p.m. dahil you're going to pay the daytime rate and at the same time you're going to experience the night lights kasi sobrang liwanag daw po dito kapag gabi. Hindi na namin na-experience kasi dumating po kami dito mga lunch na. As I mentioned earlier, this park has 6 phases. Ang phase 1 yung palang yung fully completed. At napansin nyo kanina sa video, we have the Genghis Khan statue and the Denmark's Little Mermaid statue. Sa phase 2 naman, idadagdag naman nila yung Russia St. Basil Cathedral, India's Taj Mahal, and Cambodia's Angkor Wat. Phase 3 includes Our Lady of Mount Carmel statue and then may chapel din, and the USA's Mount Rushmore and Madagascar's Moai monolithic statues. Phase 4 is the reclining Buddha and the China's Great Wall. Phase 5 will be Pagoda and Japanese Garden. And Phase 6 is Water Park, Norwegian Cabins, and New Zealand's Hobbit Hole. So kung nagandahan na kayo na Phase 1 at Phase 2 pala ang nakikita nyo, what more pag nakompleto na yan lahat? So yan ang exciting part. So with that, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa pag-tour ng Sikatuna's Mirror of the World. Till our next travel vlog, mga ka-Team Apron!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!